Okay, this is how you work out a standard deviation question. First thing, you read it. Televisions have a mean life of 24 months, standard deviation of 2 months. If 4,000 TVs are made and the distribution is normal, how many TVs will break in the first 20 months? How many will break between 24 and 28 months? So you're looking for some key words. We're looking for the mean, which is given us, the standard deviation, the number of TVs or items, and whether it is a normal distribution. So we've got those things, which means that we can now draw the graph. So what we want to do is we want to draw a graph of this situation. So it doesn't have to be incredibly excellent, but enough so you can put in all the information that you need. So it's a bell-shaped curve. Oops, that's a shocking bell-shaped curve. Anyway, put in the mean, first standard deviation, second one, third one down that way, and across this way as well. Need to put a title, graph of TV, and down here is months. Okay, so we now know that our average is 24. Goes up in, over here it says 2 months. So it goes up in 2 months. So every 2 months is a standard deviation. So this next one, I'm adding 2 on here. So that's going to be 26, then 28, and then 30. And going back this, 24, take 2 is 22, then 20, and 18. So for all, what we're saying is that the data means that the televisions will last between 18 and 30 months, because that's all our information. Now what we want to do is write in the percentages. Now these percentages here are the ones that we'll use all the time. So 34, and that's going to be 34 as well because it's symmetrical. Then in this one here, we'll use 13.5%, which is 13.5 over here. And then the last one's going to be 2.5. Now if you add them all together, that's 100%, so all of our data lies in there. So now the question, we've now answered the question. It says to us, how many TVs will break in the first 20 months? So the first 20 months is up to here. So all the tellies that go from here to here. So that is 2.5% of our population. So for part A, we've got 2.5, because I'm reading it from here, this is 2.5%, times by our population, which in the question is 4,000. So in here, we just got 2.5% times 4,000, and this will give us the number of TVs that will break in that time, and that gives us 100. Actually label it, 100 TVs will break. Sweet. Now the next question, similar thing, how many TVs will break between 24 and 28 months? So we are looking for between 24, so it's here, and 28 months, there. So we are looking at this region in here. So what tellies are going to break in this region here? Okay, this is part B. So we go, that's this first region here is 34%. So 34 is going to break in there. Plus, and then you go to the next one, which is 13.5. 13.5. And that gives us a grand total of 47.5% of the population. Our population is 4,000. Times it out, and you'll get 1,900 TVs will break. Okay, so the way you do it is you read the question, draw the graph, put in the numbers that you know, then solve the question. And we've solved those two things, and we've done it, no worries. Good day.